another question here for tomorrow night's homework or tonight's homework, and that is balancing chemical equations with interfering coefficients. So what I'm going to do is with every one of these, I'm going to find and do the simplest thing last. And the simplest thing last is not necessarily trivial. What's the word simplest mean, right? So let's go through here and I go, okay. So oxygen's by itself. So that's going to be simplest. Now, having said that, let's just go left to right and then just do the simplest thing last. Iron, hydrogen, and oxygen. That's everything, right? Okay. So let's go left to right. Iron looks like it's already balanced. Let's go with red here. 1 and 1. We won't need that there. Let's just go 1 and 1. And hydrogen has 2 over here, 2 hydrogens, and 2 hydrogens over here. 2 and 2. Okay. So oxygen looks like it's got 2 over here and 3 over here. But I can fix that if I make this 1/2 times 2. So I've got 2 now, right? There's 1/2 times 2 is 1, plus 1 is 2, and there's 2 over here. So I've got 2 and 2. I know what you're thinking. You can't use fractions. And I'll go, yep. You can't use fractions except as an intermediate step, right? So let's keep it like that for now. I'm going to go through and count them again, just to make sure I'm good, and then I'll get rid of my fraction. So iron there's 1 iron over here, and there's 1 iron over here. Hydrogens, there's 2, still 2, and still 2 over here. And my oxygens, 1/2 times 2 is 1, plus 1 is 2, yep, still 2, and 2. Okay, good, all right, I like that. So now all I've got to do is get rid of my fraction. So I go and look at my fraction, and the denominator of my fraction is 2. So if I multiply everything by 2, I'm good. So there's a 1 in front of that iron, that becomes 2. 1/2 times 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to see a 2, 1, 2, and 2. I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to click solve because I don't want to take the time to type that in, okay? Let's click solve. 2, 1, 2, and 2. 2, 1, 2, and 2. Okay? I'll do another one in a separate video.